Hello there, this is Abdurrahman and today I am playing a salesperson role and the topic is manufacturing and I hope you will like it. So let's get started. Good morning Mr. Thompson. This is Mark from Tech Genius Solutions. I hope you are doing well today. Hi Mark, I'm doing fine. Thank you. How can I assist you? I wanted to discuss an exciting opportunity for your business. We specialize in providing advanced enterprise software solutions specially designed for the manufacturing supply chain. Our software streamlines operations, optimization inventory efficiency, resulting in a significant cost saving and improved productivity. That sounds intriguing, Mark. Our manufacturing supply chain is a critical part of our business and we are always looking for ways to improve efficiency and reduce cost. Can you tell me more about your software? Certainly, Mr. Thompson. Our enterprise software is a comprehensive solution that integrates with various manufacturing systems and processes. It offers real-time visibility into your supply chain, allowing you to track inventory levels, manage product schedules, and optimize resources allocation. Our advanced analytics and reporting feature provide actionable insights to help you make data-driven decisions and identify areas for improvement. That sounds like a powerful tool. However, our manufacturing processes are quite complex and we have multiple systems in place. Will your software be able to integrate smoothly with our existing infrastructure? Absolutely, Mr. Thompson. Our enterprise software is built to integrate seamlessly with a wide range of manufacturing systems such as ERP, MES, and SCM. We have a team of experienced implementation specialists who will work closely with your IT department to ensure a smooth integration process. We understand the importance of minimizing disruptions and our expert will provide comprehensive training and ongoing support to your team during the train session. That's reassuring. Security is also a top concern for us. How does your software address data security and protect our sensitive information? We understand the importance of data security, Mr. Thompson. Our enterprise software adheres to the highest industry standards, including robust encryption protocols, role-based access controls, and regular security update. We prioritize the confidentiality and integrity of your data, and our solutions are designed to safeguard it against potential cyber threat and unauthorized access. I appreciate your attention to security. Now let's talk about pricing. Enterprise software solution can be quite expensive. How does your pricing model work? Our pricing model is tailored to fit specific needs of each business, Mr. Thompson. We offer flexible options, including both subscription-based and perpetual license model. The cost will be depend on factors such as scope of implementation, the number of users, and any additional customization requirements. I can arrange a meeting with our solutions team to understand your unique needs and provide you with a detailed proposal that outlines the features and pricing and expected return on investment. This would be helpful, Mark. I would like to have a better understanding of the cost and benefit before making a decision. Can we schedule a meeting for next week? Of course, Mr. Thompson, I will arrange a meeting for next Wednesday at 10 a.m. I will send a calendar invitation schedule with all the details, including a link for a virtual meeting. This will give us an opportunity to develop deeper into your requirement and answer any additional question you may have. Excellent. I look forward to your discussion, Mark. Thank you for providing those details. You're very welcome, Mr. Thompson. I am excited about the opportunity to assist you further. If you have any immediate question before our meeting, please feel free to reach out to me via email or phone. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Thank you, Mark. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mister.